you ever closed your shop and still didn't know how much profits you made? Or do you know which products are out of stock? Do you record your daily expenses? Do you know how much you spend in a day or month? Well, my name is Kelvin and I'm a software developer at Vinetrix IT Solutions. In this video, I will explain what Alerxio is and how you can use it. Alerxio is an online and offline business management software built by us at Vinetrix IT Solutions here. It helps you record your sales, track your product stock, see your profit clearly, manage multiple shop locations, and also manage your workers all in one system. So if you run a supermarket, pharmacy, bakery, food business, construction and electrical shop, medical supply shop, cosmetic shop, boutique or beauty and makeup businesses, Alerxio is perfect for you. You can try it for 7 days, and with just 90 Ghana cedis per month, you can continue using Alerxio. There is also a free version available if you run a small business with products less than 20 products. If you are serious about protecting and managing your business, give Alerxio a try today. The link will be in the description. Thank you.